Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. It's back at me. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. I have this 2017 Chevy Traverse. The range is between 2013 and 2017. All right. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change in this car. Before I get into the action, please don't forget to support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Hit the bell button. So every time I upload new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. Hit the bell, hit the like button, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Other than that, the other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad, advertise, commercial, propaganda, advertisement, ad, whatever you want to call it. It's the same thing. Just watch it. It lasts for 5 seconds, 10 seconds. All right. So watch the whole thing, don't skip it, and that's how you support the channel, alright? Unless you wanna leave the tip on the table. But let's jump into this oil change. Okay. This is how you open the hood. Alright, just pull it. The latch is gonna be right here in the front, okay? You don't have to hold it because it has like a kickstand. Okay, you don't have to hold the hood. This is a 3.6, 2017 3.6. Here's the engine oil cap. Okay, and it tells you what type of oil it takes. 5W30. That's synthetic oil. Okay, that's the dipstick right here, the yellow one. All right. Let's go to the bottom. Now here at the bottom, this is the back top muffler. Middle pipe, this is some type of resonator. Come here, another pipe. That's a cat flex pipe. Now right here, I think I did this video before, I don't know though, but this is the oil drain plug. This is our guy. Okay, and if I'm not mistaken, the oil filter is on top, if I'm not tripping. No, it's right there. I think I did this car before. There's the oil filter right there. There's the oil drain plug right here, and the oil filter is right here. Alright. You're gonna need a 15mm socket for this guy. Coming. Let's see how it looks like. Watch out, it's hot. There we go. Doesn't even have oil. What you think? It's dirty, clean? Put it in the comment box. Let me know. There's no oil at all here. Ooh, that was close. To get to the oil filter, I'm gonna use this type of tool with a 12 inches 3/8 extension. And it will be better if you use like a swivel. Forgot to put the swivel though, but I'm gonna put a swivel like that. Now I connect it to this, and then we go for it. I'm gonna need a ratchet, by the way. Ooh. Careful. Alright, we're Gucci now, so we come through like this. Try to lose it like that. I'm saying. Once you drain the most of the oil here, just put the oil drain plug back. Tight it with a 15mm socket, okay? Right there. Clean after yourself. You could do it like when you're from the top, but since I'm down here, I do it through here. Now it's loose and ready to come out, so I'm gonna go to the top and reach for it from the top. Here at the top, I'm gonna reach for that. Be careful, don't get burned with the catalytic. That's sauce manifold, whatever. That's our guy right there. So I'm gonna reach for it. It's loose now, so that's the best part. That's why I didn't want to lose it from here by hand or with a tool, because if it's hot, then I don't want to get burned. I'm saying. Now this thing's kind of hot now, so I'm just gonna like pull it as fast as I can because it's fucking hot. Oh, by the way, thank you Chevy for this magnific design. So you gotta reach again to wipe where the oil filter sits. I'm telling you, yeah. Thank you, Chevy. You did my day. This is the filter I'm gonna use for this car. Okay, it's Parts Master. That's the part number. This is not the same part number for other brands. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now I'm gonna loop this. I'm gonna grab it like this. Bring it down. Turn it right there. Sometimes you just gotta feel it though. Yep. That's it. There it is. Now just start it by hand. Cannot use any tool, because if you use a tool, you might make a hole in the filter, and then you're gonna leak oil, and then it's gonna be a mess. Tight it good. Now we're gonna proceed to pour the oil. Remember, it's 5W30 synthetic. Okay. By the way, I'm gonna pour 6 quarts. Okay. Thumbnail. Put the engine oil cap back. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Alright, don't forget to support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Do that for me. Hit the bell button, so every time I upload new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. Hit the bell, hit the like button, my bad. Share this video and the feedback, put in the comment box for me. I did a video, separate video, on how to reset the oil life. Okay, on this from the 2013 to 2017 Chevy Traverse. Alright, so look for that if you need it. Other than that, yeah. The other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. Don't skip it. Okay, it's like 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay, that's how you support the channel. Watch it all, then keep watching this video or any of my other videos that you are, I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. So alright, I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. I'm clocking now. Estuvo Purun. Any questions, put in the comment box. Alright, I'm out.